Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry, and as we get into the free videos for tonight, I wanted to mix things up a little bit and show you a spot where I believe adding some diversity to your portfolio can be very helpful. The equity markets are in a little bit of turmoil right now. Tuesday I think will be a little tricky to call, and then of course Wednesday, as we get into the inflation data, we'll really start to see what the cards look like. But in the meantime, looking at some diversity here through the agriculture products. Also, just kind of repeating the trading plan that I look for day in and day out, and that begins with the foundation of a daily squeeze. So you can see the more mature part of it that I like looking for forms right through here, and that gives us the idea that a larger directional move may be something that's getting ready to happen in the next week, maybe 2 to 3. The timing can vary, but I want to try and follow that in the direction of the 21 EMA, as long as the pullbacks to that moving average are purchased, and then look for the squeeze to eventually fire and resolve, in this case, to the buy side. So there will still be resistance on the way, but I feel like as long as that moving average relationship can be maintained, movement up here into the 1070 would make sense. Also, remember that this is something that offers a micro contract. So if you're looking for a way to participate but don't want quite as much directional movement as the full ZW, there are micros that are offered. And then also looking at it in corn. So this is a similar situation where you are still retracing this move. And inside that, there is always the 618 that I'd like to acknowledge as resistance. But you can see the idea here again, right? We have the squeeze, we have the relationship to that moving average, and then in this case, looking for the potential of a move back into, fill that gap. That'll be right there in the vicinity of the 618 retracement. And I believe that those could provide some viable trades if you're looking for some alternatives to various equity exposure. So I hope that gives you some meaningful trade ideas. You have a great rest of your evening, and we'll see you at the next free video. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com. And I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.